everyone, welcome to Dhandha's new video. In the previous videos, we discussed in detail, first, all about the FMCG industry, growth potential and more. Second, we discussed how you could enter the FMCG industry too and what would it take you to. Taking a step ahead of this, let's find out why are more FMCG brands leaning towards the D2C model. So, without any delay, let's begin with today's video. The D2C channel, that is, the direct-to-consumer channel, has been growing in its popularity. From the consumer's point of view, what could be better than receiving relatively cheaper products right at your doorstep? Not that alone, yet you also having the privilege to return what is received when needed. And from the seller's point of view, they would prefer high profit margins, cost cutting, a feedback-led approach with sales and access to consumer data and having more control over branding. About the FMCG sector, we discussed so far how this industry shows signs of growth even during times of recession. FMCG industry being the evergreen competitive industry that it is, it shall lay its feet in the D2C arena. Let's discuss a few key reasons as to why even big established FMCG brands are trying to create a D2C channel. FMCG goods, the fast-moving consumer goods which include our everyday grocery items. In a regular household, as per consumer surveys, most of the grocery items are purchased from retailers, while the other few are bought online. Although, before COVID, majority of the people procured their grocery items from retail stores, there is a very significant share obtained from sales online. At this point of time, if the FMCG brands do not create a D2C channel, they would always be competing with other brands lying in a local grocer's store. Their sales, although may come from commercials which they release, perhaps the ultimate sales may still remain reliant on a customer's discretion based on what he sees first in store or even other factors. Without a D2C channel, FMCG brands would be preventing themselves from owning the customer experience based on how they wish. Yet, when they have a website of their own, they could create personal touches and make the customer experience unique. In recent times, convenience is being kept first very often. From fully cooked meals to parlor services, everything is offered at the doorstep. As any business which isn't dynamic enough is all set to doom, even FMCG brands would need to keep up with this trend of convenience. Customers at a very minimal fee are getting most products and services right at their doorstep. Building a D2C channel shall aid this. One of the greatest perks that come from establishing a direct relationship with your customers is the access to customer data. Newborn businesses try so much to get hold of customer data to make targeted sales. D2C channels have a direct access to that. Through the D2C channel, the brand can create subscriptions for its customers. Say, a toothpaste subscription for their customers. This enhances future sales. Due to large demands coming from the D2C sector, even margins of a few pennies could accumulate from many and result in a big amount. Creating more channels that are already known to be yielding high margins would only make the brand bigger. At present, there are many ERPs which make possible achievement of goals we are striving for. Some of the few big FMCG brands in India who have created a D2C channel based on needs of the market are Adani Wilmar. It launched an app for its entire range of Fortune products. Shoppers Stop, which provides a large number of brands exclusively on its D2C platform. ITC2 launched an e-store for its products. When we have been talking about the benefits D2C channel brings to the FMCG sector, it most certainly comes with challenges too. To make the FMCG brand profitable, there got to be a large number of sales. Since these products are mostly cheap relative to other products, profitability shall come from higher sales. Responsibilities of manufacturing, selling, shipping, advertising, dealing with customer grievances all fall in the hands of the particular brand when they run their business through a D2C channel. Third-party services shall always come to help, but they too would be seen as an additional cost until the time the business adjusts with a new channel. Often, even over-reliance on the D2C channel could lead to a loss for the brand. The primary focus has to be on retail stores, considering present times. The future, although, is uncertain. The D2C channel unequivocally requires accurate inventory management, efficient return mechanism, quick shipping, and responsive customer sell. In absence of all of these, the brand may start losing its image. This needs to be taken care of. So, from the past two videos to this one, we've covered about what the FMCG industry is and does, how you could enter the industry, and finally, how you could further grow your brand through the D2C channel. In the next video, we shall be covering about how you could start an international business. So, that's it for today's video. If you like the video, do press the like button and subscribe to Dhandha. Let's meet in the next video. Thank you.